Mr. Raj, I'm quite thrilled after listening to you about what Europe Study Center can offer in terms of how do I apply and what are the procedures and what has to be done.
Before I answer that question, I would like to ask you, from the perspective of a student,
Okay.
just imagine what all hurdles he or she is facing during the application process in order to get into a foreign university.
You're absolutely right, because there'll be a lot of questions and queries that a student will have in their mind. For example, am I eligible for studying in this university? How do I apply in this university? What are the formalities? What is the fee structure? What are the documents that is required? What kind of paperwork do I need? What is the percentage that I need to enroll into any of the stream that I will want to study? What are the different countries that can offer these facilities? What are the documents that is required for visa? And all these jargons about nostrification is very new, and I don't understand. What do I do? Is there an interview? Is there a Skype interview? Do I have to wait for a long time to get an interview? Is there a date that has been fixed? Who would I have to contact in the university? And how does the visa procedure continue? What are the requirement documents for a visa? Oh my God, there's a lot of questions. Yeah. How do I do that if I'm a student? This will be a big thing. I won't be able to do it myself.
You're right, Veena. That's why we Europe Study Center is helping the students step by step in the entire process.
Okay.
See, a small error in the admission process will completely jeopardize their application process.
I'm sure.
And a small error even in their motivation letter will be a reason for rejection.
Okay.
Yeah, and there are many parameters in order to get admitted into a foreign university.
Right.
That is why we are helping the students, because we are in this industry for more than 15 long years, and we are recruiting to the entire European universities, and we are certified by governing bodies like British Council, then ISEF, NAFSA, EAIE, European Association for Student Recruitment, and ARC. And also we are co-funding the European Center for Project Internship, that is praxisnetwork.eu.
Okay.
And you can visit europestudycenter.com in order to get more information and to contact our young professionals and experts to get your admission done.
So you will run us through the whole kind of process and procedures that needs to be done for a student from the time of interview right up to when the students get enrolled into the university, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We are there to answer all the queries with regard to pre-admission, counseling, visa documentation, visa appointment, academic credentials, translations by the sound translators recommended by the university.
Yes, translation. I think that is a very key question that would be think. What about the motivational letter?
Yes.
Even that, would you be helping the students?
Absolutely. Okay. We are helping them step by step. Okay. Like the insurance during the travel support, the insurance, the enrollment with the university guidance, and also we are giving them the accommodation assistance, and all these are actually we are helping the students with all the professionals, qualified, experienced person from Europe Study Center.
Even the insurance, what about the travel and the ticket, all that would you be also taking?
Absolutely.
Oh, that is very good. So it is like a one-stop place where you can get the entire range of assessment till the enrollment happens, even the visa and everything is be done.
Yes.
So Europe Studies Center takes care of the entire, I think no other consultant would be doing that.
Yeah. And we are part of a project which is co-funded by the European Union for finding internships in Europe, European Center for Excellence Internship Project, praxisnetwork.eu.
Raj, after listening to all this, I am extremely privileged to work for an organization such as Europe Study Center.
It's all about quality. Quality is not an accident. It's an outcome of an intelligent effort. And we maintain high transparency. We define transparency as no hidden agendas or conditions. And with the available information, we are accompanying all this information in terms of collaboration, cooperation, and collective decision making. That's why our young experts with expertise in this field, qualified, professional, experienced persons are behind the entire admission process for students in Europe Study Center.
So what about the virtual aspect of our introduction to the students? How do you do that?
We are not only offering physical support to the students, whereas we are using all our in-house softwares to virtually counsel the students to give them n number of support in terms of admission, application, knowing the information, status about the universities. So we are literally taking up the effort of students to come to the office physically.
So every stage you keep them informed. They don't have to come physically to the office, but they can do a virtual kind of grooming session that you provide.
Yes, Veena, the students, they don't have to come to the office physically. Rather, we are using all our in-house softwares to help them counsel through virtually.
Okay.
So we are doing virtual counseling for them with regard to admission, application process, and also they can know the application status through this software, and this is what actually we are doing.
Furthermore, the universities that we are working with are high-ranked universities and has all different streams of education that we provide for the students. Now, we take care of the students from the enrollment right up to when they settle into the university. So the entire process is taken care by Europe Study Center. So we facilitate the whole process for them. So this also builds a trust between the parents and the students, and they have the belief that their money is well spent. It is not gone to waste. So we understand that their hard-earned money is well spent on the education of the students. We also have coordinators working who takes care of the entire process, who are a young team and who understands the business very well and make sure that the students are reaching the final destination and their final dream without any hiccup.